Hello everyone, so today we are back with another video, and this time we will let you know how you can get $500 free Google Ads credit in your Google AdWords account. Do you know that you could get $500 in free credit from Google Ads for a new account? Google offers this credit to users as an incentive to try out their advertising services, but there are some terms and conditions that you need to be aware of. In this video we will discuss those terms and how you can get the $500 free coupon code. The amount of the promotional code varies from country to country and currency to currency. However, there are some details for promotional codes for a majority of the countries. We will leave that link in the description box below. The amount of money you will receive depends on your location. If you are in US, you will receive $500, and if you are in UK, you will receive £400. The amount varies for other locations. Please review the sheet for all countries promotional code in the description for more details. To activate this offer, visit ads.google.com and click on the button or the link associated with this offer for the promotional code to be automatically applied to your first Google Ads account. The promotional code must be applied to your Google Ads account within the 14 days of your first ad impression being served from such account. The terms and conditions for this credit: you are eligible for promotional credit if you are new to Google Ads and your first ad impression was served from your first Google Ads account no more than 14 days before you enter the promotional code. To earn the credit after the promotional code is applied to your Google Ads account, your ads campaign must accrue cost of at least $500 excluding any taxes or applicable fees within 60 days. Making a payment of $500 is not sufficient. The tracking of advertising costs towards $500 begin after the promotional code is applied. The credit expires 60 days after it is applied to your account. Credit applies to future ads cost only. Credit cannot be applied to cost accrued before the promotional code was entered in your Google Ads account. So in conclusion, if you have not tried Google Ads, so now is the time. You can spend $500 and get $1,000 worth of clicks. If you need help spending it wisely, reach out to us. We are professionals who can help you make the most of your Google Ads budget. The information shared in this video was hopefully helpful to you. If you have any questions related to Google Ads, please feel free to reach out to us and we would love to help you. Please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon.